winter peepers. What's going on? Hope you had a good New Year and all that. Did you make some New Year's resolutions? Let me know. What's your New Year's resolution? I'll tell you what mine is. I'm going to slack off the drinking because I drink entirely too much. And quite often interferes with getting a damn thing done because, I don't know, just destroys motivation. You know it. You know, you get all liquored up and the next day you feel kind of crappy and it just takes forever to get going and get started, and by the time you do get something going, it's too late in the day to get anything done. It starts to affect your business and your life. Well, time to get that shit under control. So that's what I'm doing. Slack off that shit for a while. Right now it's really cold in the shop, so I just got this fire going. We got a snapping old fire, as we call her. So they call her a Newfoundland. What else did they used to call it? They used to have another name for it. It wasn't what they called the fire, but when they throw in like a lot of small spruce sticks or whatever, they really snap and pop, and it's really nice, really wonderful sound, the snapping and popping of spruce boughs. And in Newfoundland, they used to call it blasty boughs, so because they get the fire just blasting, get your stove glowing red, and burn down a lot of cabins that way. But, got to install these gates today, so I thought I'd bring you along for that. We're finally going to get them in, and we'll see how that goes. Hopefully, won't be any issues. And go check out the front doors there of the house. We've got those big hinges up, so we'll see what those look like. I was supposed to install them, and apparently somebody else put them up for me, so I appreciate that. Saved me about an hour or two's work, and whoever did that, I'm going to buy you a beer. I don't even know who put them on. That was supposed to be me, so I do appreciate that. So here we go. Come on, let's go. There's the front doors of this place. To give you an idea, I don't know if you can tell, but they're nearly 10 feet. Big, eh? Looks good, all powder coated. Except down there where somebody chipped some shit off. That's chipped. Other than that, they look good. Wicked. So that's it. They're all installed. Good to go. Came out real nice, I think. Getting kind of dark now. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, as you can see, it went pretty smoothly. So glad they're done. Let's move on. Do other shit. Come on.